Thank you for joining us in this Zine making workshop. My name is Jie Tian. I'm a research librarian at the Pollack Library, Cal State Fullerton. I'll be showing you how to make what's called a classic Zine. And this is what it looks like. It has 8 pages, including the front and back cover. It can be folded like a book, a small book, or a small magazine. Or you can unfold it and pull it out so you can display it like a sculpture with a pop-up in the middle. So when you design your zine, you might consider what or if you would like to reveal in the different windows. Now let me tell you what the tools that we'll need. First, we'll need this cutting mat. So make sure you have a cutting mat on which you'll lay your paper and do all the work. And then we're going to be using an X-Acto knife. Make sure the cap is securely locked when you're not using your knife. And I like one that's with a heavy handle. And then we also need a ruler so that we can cut against the opening in the book. We may need a pencil, we'll see. So now let me show you how we fold this piece of paper into 8 pages. Now I'm having the side with the images that I put on facing down on the mat. So first I'm going to fold along the width of the paper. Make sure the corners match really well, and then press down to the center of the fold, and then press in both directions. And make sure you can press a few times to make a really sharp crease. So now we've made 2 pages. Now I can continue by folding the 2 ends to the center fold, and again make sure the corners match really nicely, and then press to the sides. Turn over, fold again to the center fold, make sure the corners match nicely, and then press again. All right, so now we have folded this piece of paper into 4 panels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to make another fold along the length of the paper. And again, I'm going to make sure the corners match really nicely. Okay, so by doing this one fold, we now have this paper folded into 8 sections. Now we need to cut along the center fold. The 2 center panels, that's where we're going to cut. You can use a pencil to mark where the intersecting point is between the 2 folded lines to help you see better. And now I'm just going to put my ruler along where the 2 marked point is, along the center of the spine over here, just in the 2 middle sections. I'm going to leave the top and the bottom section intact. So my cut is going to start right over here. And also be careful when you are cutting against the ruler, the hand that's on the ruler, use some strength to press on the ruler so that it's stable. And also it's a good idea to get a metal ruler, possibly with a backing, so that it doesn't slip. And then the hand, you're holding your knife just like you're holding a pencil. So just cut against the ruler. All right, so that cut is done. So now we are ready to construct our book. And now to make it into a book, I'm just going to hold my left hand side real steady, and then I'm going to just to push towards the center, and then naturally you'll see that my left hand is holding two panels. So by pushing it towards the center, I'm creating the front and the back cover. So this is the front cover of my zine, and this is the back cover. So there we go. That's our small magazine. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.